Hello and welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Ankita. Today we are going to learn attribute dimensions, UDAs, and shared members. We will first start with attribute dimensions. Attribute dimensions describe characteristics of data. It is used to analyze data based on the attributes and qualities of dimension members. Only one attribute from a given attribute dimension can be associated with one member. For example, employee can be categorized on the basis of of gender, either male or female. We will first understand how we can add attribute dimension. For that, I will select navigator. There I will go to dimensions. Here I will be selecting employee dimension. I will go to custom attributes. Here you can see that I have added three attributes, that is based on gender, another is age band, and the last one is highest education degree. We can add attribute dimension by using this plus sign. Here I will add the name and the data type. It can be date, text, boolean, numeric. After selecting it, we will save the attribute dimension. Then I will select the attribute dimension in which I want to edit its child. Here I have selected highest education degree. Here I will be adding the child, like here I'm adding company secretary. And I will save it. After saving, I will close it and then refresh the database. After that, I can edit attribute. I can give attributes to the employees. Like here, I will go to edit. After selecting the employee, I will go to attribute. Here, I will be selecting male. For gender, age band is 50 to 60. Highest education is doctorate. Like this, we can give attributes to a member. Now we will understand how it is used in business by an HR department. So for that, I will, yeah. Here, for example, HR departments want the data of employees of age band 30 to 40. Uh, so for that, I will go to member selection. Here, I will select attributes. In the attribute, I will go to this select attribute option. Then here I will be selecting the attribute as age band, then 30 to 40. Then I will set the attribute. After that, I will click on OK. Here we have got all the employee details who are in the age band 30 to 40. After getting it, I will select it and click on OK. Here we can see that we got all the data related to the employees of the age band 30 to 40. Now we will further understand the user defined attribute. User defined attribute can be used within calculation scripts, member formulas, and forms. Attribute can be created using text. It does not have a hierarchy. Multiple UDAs can be associated with users. For example, employee can be characterized on the basis of their skill sets, like analytical skill, planning skill, presentation skill. We can see that one employee can have more than one skill. So we can give the skills to an employee, more than one skills to an employee. To understand UDAs, we will first understand how we can add UDAs. We can select any of the employee at any level. After that, I will click on edit. Here I will select UDA. I can add UDA by clicking on this plus sign. Here I want to add presentation skill. I will save it and then refresh the database. Here I can give the skill set to any of the employee, like here I'm giving the UDA to Matthew Peter. Here I'm giving this skill as analytical and executional skill. This is the added advantage of UDA, that more than one UDA can be selected, which is not possible in case of attribute dimension. After that, we will save it. Now we will understand how it is being used by the HRs. So like for example, HR department wants the data of the employees with analytical skills. Here I will be going to member selection for that in the smart view. Then I will click on filter. I will select the UDA and I will select analytical skill. Here we can see that the employees having analytical skills are all present here. I will select them and then click on OK. So the data, now we have the data related to the employees who have analytical skills. Now we will further move forward to shared members. Shared members allow alternate roll-up structures within planning application. Base member to be created for shared members. One can create multiple shared members for the base members. It must be at the lowest level in the hierarchy and cannot have children. Data can be entered in shared members and values are stored with the base members. First of all, we will understand how we can add shared members. First, we will go to accounts. Here we can see that in average gross salary, we have basic salary, transport allowance, accommodation allowance, and responsibility allowance. And here I have created workforce planning account form. In the form, here I have created again basic salary, responsibility allowance, which are all shared members. The base member is the base members are all given in average gross salaries, and the shared members are in the average gross salary form. We can create shared members by giving the name of it, and then in the data storage we will be selecting shared. After doing that, we will get we will get the shared members. Now we will see how now we will see that the data given in the base member are all same in the shared members as well. Here we can see that the average gross salary form and the average gross salary both have the same data, as one is the base member and the other one is the shared members. This is how shared members are created and being used in the business environment. For any more further inquiries, please feel free to ask. Thank you.